Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on MEX Exchange. Hang around until the end of the video for one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential. So let's get started. MEX Exchange is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, CFDs, and precious metals. Their accounts feature classic and ECN accounts with lower spreads and leverage. Their supported platform is Mex Nextgen and Mex Exchange on MetaTrader 4. Demo accounts are supported on MetaTrader 4 terminal for most operating systems. If you ever have any questions or problems while on their website, you can click on the Chat Now button here at the bottom right of the homepage. This will then open a separate window where you can get in touch with MEX Exchange's support staff. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account on MEX Exchange. Firstly, head over to their website at www.mexexchange.com. On their homepage here, we can see Open a live trading account and Try a demo trading account. Click on Demo Account. Next, fill out and submit your personal information such as your name, phone number, country of residence, email address, and your preferred account type, currency, deposit, and leverage. After you have submitted your information, you will see a page that says, "Congratulations on opening a demo account." What you'll want to do next is head over to the email address you provided and look for an email sent from MEX Exchange. All your account information and how to continue will be displayed on that email. Next, download and install MetaTrader 4 for your preferred operating system. And after you have installed MetaTrader 4, you'll want to submit the login information that you received in the email prior. Enter your account information under Existing Account and log in. And we're in! This is a MEX Exchange demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can easily change your chart types here at the top left of the dashboard from either line, candlestick, or bar charts. You can zoom in and out of the main selected chart window with the magnifying glass buttons on the right of the chart types buttons. To open a selected chart window as a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button at the top right of the main selected chart window. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our Market Watch, which displays all of the trading instruments that MEX Exchange provides. In this case, it is displaying Forex currency pairs. To open up an individual buy and sell order window, simply right-click on your preferred currency pair and click on New Order. This will then open a separate buy and sell order window, which displays some additional information and its own line chart. To open a selected currency pair's own separate chart window, all you will need to do is right-click on your preferred currency pair and click on Chart Window. This will then display the chosen currency pair in its own chart window in the center of the main dashboard. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the Help section here at the top left of the main dashboard. This Help section displays help guides, topics, and tutorial videos to help you get started with MetaTrader 4. MEX Exchange also offers an educational section which features a variety of educational trading topics, an economic calendar, and various video tutorials which covers the basics of platform functionality. One tip that could be beneficial to you, if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, is to consider using the weekends when the markets are closed to take the time to study and analyze weekly charts for any patterns or news that could get you ahead for the following week to come. One useful aspect here is to keep a printed record, which can also help you learn from any past mishaps you may have encountered, and is a fantastic learning tool. Consider printing out a preferred chart and listing all the reasons for the selected trade, such as the fundamentals and various entry and exit points, while making continuous comments on the chart. One example for this could be emotional reasons for entering trades or taking actions. Keeping a record is a must if you are looking to become successful in trading. So consider taking the time when the markets are closed to look for any interesting key points that could help you when the markets open again. And that's how to open a demo account on MEX Exchange. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck.